Hey everybody, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. So a few weeks ago I made a video talking about how we partnered with a regional mulch distributor to come up with our own special blend that we think is way superior to what you're going to find in the other garden centers, big box stores, even what other lawn and landscape companies are going to be putting down. So I was at one of those stores and I thought I'd grab a bag so I can show you the difference side by side. So we got a bag here of just your pretty typical mulch that you're going to get just about anywhere. And then of course we got a giant pile of our mulch. And if you see here, this stuff is a really finely ground product. Our product is a large chip. So this is actually, they take this product, they grind it again into this fine ground product, which this stuff's going to decompose a lot faster. It's going to lose its color a lot faster. This stuff is just a way better product overall. So give us a call if there's something we can help you out with, or if you'd like us to put some of our beautiful mulch down in your lawn, your beds, and make your beds look fantastic.